A lot of business owners come to me thinking they need a better website, and sometimes they do. But quite often, the website is only the thing they can see. The real problem is sitting underneath it. Carl was a good example of that. On the surface, the conversation was about improving his website and helping the business show up better online. But when I looked a bit deeper, I could see the bigger issue wasn't just the website. The key issue was visibility. Carl had the knowledge, he had the experience, he had the personality. But like a lot of business owners, he didn't really want to be recording videos all the time or constantly creating content for social media. And that matters because people don't just buy from a website. They buy from trust. They buy from confidence. They buy when they feel they understand who they're dealing with. So the question became, how do we help Carl show up online without expecting him to become a full-time content creator? That opened up a completely different idea. With Carl's permission, we explored whether we could create a digital version of him, using his voice, his personality, and his way of explaining things. Not to replace him, but to help the business communicate more often, more clearly, and more consistently. That could then support the website, or support social media, and help people feel like they already knew him before making an inquiry. And this is what I mean when I say, the fix is not always the thing the client first asked for. Carl asked about a website, but the real opportunity was helping him turn his trust, his knowledge, and his personality into digital assets the business could use again and again. That is the difference between building a website and building a stronger digital business. Because a good website should not just sit there and look nice. It should help the business show up, build trust, save time, and convert more of the right people. That is the thinking behind the fix.